In this instructional video, I will demonstrate the process of linking your Instagram account to your TikTok account. By establishing this connection, you can conveniently share your TikTok content directly to your Instagram platform, thereby expanding your audience reach. Let us proceed with the account linking process. To begin, launch the TikTok application on your mobile device. Upon successful login, navigate to your profile page by selecting the Me icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. Subsequently, locate the Edit Profile option, typically represented by a pencil icon or labeled as such. Tap on this option to access your profile settings. Scroll down within the profile settings until you identify the option labeled Instagram. Select this option to initiate the Instagram linking process. A prompt will appear, requesting you to add your Instagram account to your profile. Enter your Instagram credentials, including your username and password, and tap on the Login button. Once you have successfully logged in, tap on the Allow button to authorize TikTok to access your Instagram account. Upon granting authorization, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your Instagram account has been successfully linked to your TikTok account. With these steps completed, you have successfully established the link between your Instagram and TikTok accounts.